As designers, we're always looking for ways to simplify our workflow. And as such, we should never use up valuable time striving to produce the perfect sketch. Our client isn't paying us for work that he or she can hang up on the walls, they want us to resolve their brief. Finding ways to speed up our sketching is an important part of improving our communication. This simple method of shading helps to quickly communicate shape and form. You'll notice that I'm using parallel lines to quickly fill any surfaces of my shape that would be hidden from an imaginary light source. On my page, my imaginary light source would be somewhere in the top left-hand corner. My lines aren't evenly spaced, many go over or fall short of the boundary lines. Some are light, some are dark, it simply doesn't matter. What matters is that I'm relaxed, remembering to breathe, and working relatively quickly. Now I'm using the same shading method to fill in the shadows cast by the shape. Once I've done this, I'm simply taking a thicker pen and going over some of the outlines of my shape. I'm choosing those that would be most hidden from the light. This gives a little more contrast to my shape and helps it to lift up off the page. You can still see the construction lines I've used to build my shapes. My videos demonstrating how and why we sketch with construction lines are linked in the description below this video. Also linked below is my video explaining how we construct cast shadows. And while you're there, you can find links to the equipment I've used in this video. One of the significant benefits of this method of sketching is that it gives another level of detail to our design ideas. It makes our two-dimensional shapes more three-dimensional, and this helps communicate our ideas to whoever's reading our page of design sketches. If our client is to play a significant part in the iterative designing process, we're going to need to be able to communicate our thoughts in a quick, simple and effective way. And I say again because it's a valuable notion to underpin our work. Our client isn't paying us for work that he or she can hang up on the walls. They want us to resolve their brief. The ability to quickly sketch parallel lines comes with practice, but note that I'm turning the paper around to suit my physiology. In other words, I've experimented with what's comfortable and used that knowledge to help me with my work. I've linked here, at the end and below part 2 of this video, in which I explain how to apply this process to more complex shapes. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, and why not join me over on Instagram for some of the action behind the scenes. Thanks for watching.